Okay, so on this one, they've got stuff on either side. So you want to get everything to one side. It really doesn't matter which one you move. It's quicker just to move this one. But now when we do the stuff with the quadratic formula, it's a lot easier if you keep the x squared term positive. So just so you get used to doing that, I'm just going to move these two over here instead. But again, on the calculator, it doesn't matter. It's quicker just to move that one. So when I move this over, this would change from negative to positive 1/4 x squared. This is 1/4 x, and this would change to a negative 5. So type that one in there. Hit the y equals. Clear out whatever you've got. Otherwise, it's going to keep it on the graph. 1/4, again, you could just put it in as a fraction, but you'd have to put it in parentheses. Parenthesis 1 divided by 4 parenthesis. But you could just put in 0.25. And it's an x squared plus 1/4. This time I'll just put 0.25. X minus 5. And then you hit graph. I didn't change my window, but it still shows up. All I care about is seeing this and this. And if you're looking for the max or min, this. So, to find the two zeros, which are the two solutions, you got to go to this calculate. So hit second calc. Go to 0. Press enter. Left bound, you want to get it up here for finding that 0. So get over there, press enter. Right bound, get it below the line. Press enter. It tells you to guess. And the solution is negative 5. So one of the answers is negative 5. Then to do the second one, again, hit the calc. Go down to 0. Left bound, you just got to be below it, so just make sure you're over there. Enter. Right bound, you got to get it up above. Enter. Yes. And that is at 4. So those are the two solutions. And again, if you wanted to find the vertex, you can do that too. This one goes up, which means it's going to have a minimum because it's got a bottom. So you hit second. Where I want to go. Minimum. Left bound, which means you got to be to the left of where you think the bottom is. Right bound, get to the right of the bottom. And hit enter twice. So it's almost negative 5, but not quite for x, and then down a little over 5. Sometimes you will get a parabola. Remember the first one where it doesn't touch? That's no solution. Sometimes you'll get something like this, where it only touches in one spot. So that is just one, they just have one answer then. So the answer would just be 2. It only has one intersection. Huh?
You only have one answer, 2 answers.
Yep, you'll either have no solution, there won't be any many solutions. No solution if it doesn't intersect, one solution if it just touches once. Like if it had one like this, that solution is just x equals negative 3, just one intersection.